So, hi everybody. Thank you for coming to my virtual open house today. The address is 12956 Broomfield Lane in Fort Myers. This is in Hampton Park at Gateway. This community is, it started being built in 2005. And WCI is really well known for having beautiful grounds with great construction as well as nice amenities. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and start this virtual tour. And just to give you a little bit of the statistics on this home, it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house with a den built in 2017. There are 3,350 square feet. Lots of extra upgrades. Look at this tile backsplash and the tile work that was done at the breakfast bar area. Lots of cabinets. And what I love about this kitchen is it opens to its own eat-in area here. Great pantry. And then open right out to the pool area. If you build your own pool, plenty of room for one. And also you have a living room area here for the family. Lots of space here for everybody. And for those of you multi-generational families, we have a bedroom downstairs with a closet as well as a full bathroom, which a lot of big floor plans don't have a bedroom downstairs. So this is a really smart floor plan for that. Lots of beautiful oversized tile on the diagonal, crown molding, very spacious. Utility closet. It goes out to the 3-car garage that's air conditioned, no less, with a workshop and custom cabinets. So as you enter, there's a loft landing pad here. It's a flex room. Could be used for studying or, doing projects, sewing, or just maybe a seating area. And our family here love movie night with the kids. And in here, this is the formal master. His and hers closets. Plenty of room for a sitting area here in the master as well. Again, crown molding. And as you enter the master, you have a little pantry for your linens, your linen closet, big soaking tub, nice size shower, his and hers cabinets here, and sinks. And then we're going through the spacious bedrooms. Double sinks in the guest bathroom. Nice linen closet as well. So, and as I mentioned, downstairs there is a 3-car garage, it's called a tandem garage. So from the elevation of the house, it looks like a 2-car garage, but it has an extra bay. And I'm going to go ahead and show that to you here. Give me just a second. There we go. So you can see they have, in the process of decluttering the house, they have put some things in the garage so that you can see the house better. And then here is 1 car. And then in the front here, you have another space for another car or your own personal golf cart. Here is an air conditioning unit that they put in so that if you want to work out in this area, you may. And then custom cabinets here with a workstation. Perfect for those who like to tinker in the garage, or for those people who have so much stuff that they just don't know where to put it all. So for those of you who don't know about Gateway, if you have clients that are on a budget, Gateway itself is one of the least expensive places to live in all of Southwest Florida. We have county tax only. We have a low CDD of $632 a year. So, if you were to go across the street, let's say to Arborwood, for example, you would pay city tax and county tax, and your CDD is in the thousands of dollars per year. So what I love about Gateway, and this is my community as well, is as you enter Gateway Boulevard, We have a tree-lined street where the trees canopy over each other. And we have an amazing walk score now. So take a look at this. So as you enter, families, you'll see families walking up and down the trails in here, riding their bicycle. And there's all these little, places that they can go and eat and have a meal, sit outside with their dogs, go play tennis, come and have a drink afterward. And so we've got some really nice area hotspots like Rockin' Sushi, the Saucy Meatball, Fine Folk Pizza is my absolute favorite. Skinny Dogs is another one. Casa Lupita Mexican food, China Fusion. So we actually have everything here to offer, as well as a Tom Fazio beautiful golf course, which is within the gates of the Golf and Country Club. However, you do not need to live within the gates to become a member, which is really nice because there's basically a membership for everyone. So I am not a golfer, but I play tennis. So for, I think, I can't even remember if it's $800 or $600 a year, I get to play tennis and use the facilities there. So there's something for everybody, and very flexible memberships for people who are seasonal as well. So let's see, Hampton Park, some of the amenities I'd like to show you in my listing here, just really quick. They have a beautiful town center, an amenity center. This is the barbecue area just by the pool. And here they've got a really nice state-of-the-art gym. And there's one picture of the pool and another. And so with the HOAs that Gateway has, Hampton Park includes for $1,000, $1,075 a quarter, you get cable, lawn service, and your maintenance. You get the use of the facilities, of course, and you get cable and internet all included. So really great. We've got a guarded man gate, 24-hour security. The community is just absolutely gorgeous. Please consider this one for your clients. Again, the address is 12956 Broomfield Lane. MLS number is 2200300173. Thank you guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.